Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Eric of PJ Travel. So you click this video because you're interested to get an Armenian E-visa, right? Aminin mo. Anyway, it's not really hard to get E-visa guys to Armenia. Some people, they might not even need one. So this video is for those who need one. Okay? So stick around, I'll show you how to get one. Go to Google and type Armenian E-visa right there. Okay, the one on the top usually is the legit website. You just have to click that one, and this is the logo. Be careful guys, okay? Make sure you are visiting the legit bona fide website, government website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Armenia. Okay guys, in starting a visa application online for Armenia or Armenian E-visa, you will have to check your eligibility. Okay, there's some information written up here about the payment for each duration of the visitor's visa right there. Okay, here we will have to click this one since we are applying for the first time for Armenian E-visa. Here is when you have already submitted and you want to know the status of your application. Let's go click that one. Okay guys, here you will be asked to put your type of document or travel document, ordinary passport, then your nationality, put it there. Okay guys, then you have to put your email address. By the way guys, before I put that, look at this tab right here on the upper corner. These are the sections in completing the online visa application for Armenia. We are here document type and country because this is where they're going to base your application. Let's go ahead guys and type our email or your email. Okay, then type the CAPTCHA correctly. Okay, here we go. Okay, now you have to click this one in order to get that email notification. Right there, see guys, check your email. So they send the link for registration or registration application for E-visa. Let's go check our email. Once you receive the email verification to your email, go ahead and open that one. You see that one? It says E-visa issuance system, Republic of Armenia. It has only a 1-day validity or 24 hours. So you have to complete the application form within 24 hours. Otherwise, you will have to start again. It's easy. You'll just have to check your eligibility and they will send you another link. Okay, once you receive it, you open it, go click or confirm. Okay guys, this is the starting page where we will have to fill up some data in regards to our application. If you could see right here on this tab, the first tab, it says document type and country. That's what we did a while ago, where we put our type of document we're using, the ordinary passport and your citizenship, and then you will receive the email confirming your email address and providing us the link to initiate the visa application or e-visa application. Second one is requested details. This is currently what you're seeing on the screen. Okay guys, let's fill up this form. As you could see on the screen, it was filled up already, but I'll show you how to do it, guys. So on this one, passport number, you just have to put your passport number. Then your gender, male. Then issued on, when was your passport issued? It's June 27, 2021. And when it's going to expire, it's June 26, 2025. Guys, if you don't want to use this calendar tool, you can do it manually on your own. You just make sure day comes first before month, then the last one is the year. Given name John, surname Doe, middle name templates, and your birthday. Then your country of birth, Philippines, place of birth, Manila, your current occupation, manager. This is just tutorial, okay guys? Have you ever been convicted of any offense or crime? No. Contact information at place of residence. If you're currently living in the Philippines, go write your address. If you are an OFW based in the Middle East, then put your address on there. Then the phone number. Contact information in Armenia. Where you're going to stay at, this is going to be the number of the hotel where you will be staying at. Okay, let's say it's in Yerevan, Armenia. Phone 1234567. You might want to read this side, guys. Sometimes they're very specific with questions. Okay, I have already uploaded a photo of the passport applicant here. I have the sample here which is uploaded. Let's see. These are the ones not accepted, and these are the samples that are accepted. Passport page already attached. Let's see, I remove it, then we'll attach it again. This one. Okay, there you go. Make sure your passport has a validity of 3 months after your intended date of departure from Armenia. Okay, it should be issued for no more than 10 years. Here, guys, unsupported documents, you do not really need to upload all the documents here. They are suggesting or recommending, but I believe you don't really have to upload all the documents. Only the important ones, such as your flight ticket or flight itinerary. Then if you want to add more, hotel reservation, go attach the document, Hotel Armenia. If you want to add more, let's say travel insurance, then attach it. Here we go. Then add another one, proof of funds, your bank certificate. Okay, I think that's it, guys. But there's another menu down here. It says resident permit. Let's say, guys, you have a valid US or Schengen visa. You can upload it there. I believe that will strengthen your application. Even if you live in the GCC region, just upload a copy of your resident card or resident permit, and it will help expedite and strengthen your visa application. Okay, then additional information if you want to add more. Check this before you go to the next page. Make sure the data you put on here is matching with your travel document. Okay, looks good. Photo looks good. Passport page, no error. Okay, we can click this one. Guys, by the way, on this part, on the flight itinerary or ticket, you don't really have to buy ticket or book a ticket. It's a dummy ticket will do, because you don't have a visa yet, guys. So why take the risk? They don't really advise you to buy or confirm the ticket. just a reservation or dummy ticket will do. And same with the hotel. You can get this free from booking.com. Reservation, you don't really have to pay a single penny. Travel insurance, yes, I believe you don't really have to get it right away, and you don't even have to upload here, because I believe some people, they just put the basic requirements such as copy of their hotel and ticket. That's it, without either of these two, either bank certificate or travel insurance. Of course, they will find out, guys, if you have a Schengen visa, US visa, or you live in other countries such as GCC region, that somehow will strengthen your visa application to go to Armenia. Okay, then go click next. On this page, guys, they are asking you what's the purpose of your visit. As you can see, it's already put there: tourism, visit, relative, friend. It's I put it there a while ago, and the number of days I pick is 21 days, because I will be staying there only for 10 days. Example, you don't really have to take 21 days exactly. It could be less than that. And this is the visa type written in Armenian language. And by the way, guys, see the price of the visa is so cheap, $8 only, and it's non-refundable. In case you get denied or rejected, you won't be able to get it back. When you will arrive in Republic of Armenia, so I put it there, let's say December 10, 2024, and they put this one. After you put the date there, this will pop up. So they're telling exactly your visa will be valid for 90 days between December 10, 2024 to March 9, 2025. Guys, don't get confused, okay? You have only a maximum 21 days to stay in Armenia. They're talking about the validity of your E-visa on this 3 months period. You can use it between these dates, but staying in Armenia, the allowable time is only 21 days as per your selection here. Okay, so once you're good with that, go to the next page. On this part, by the way, guys, if the purpose of your travel to Armenia is business, you have to click business. So you have to answer this according to your purpose of travel. Okay, but most likely it's going to be tourism. Okay, go click next. Here's the summary of your data, what you just put on there a while ago. Your passport number, gender, given name, middle name, expiration and issue date of your passport, your birth date, your nationality, birthplace, your occupation. Good thing, guys, in applying for Armenian E-visa, you don't really have to upload much documents. See, they didn't even ask a copy of your certificate of employment and so forth. So it's very easy, as 1, 2, 3. Then you put your address where you are currently residing, the phone where you will be staying at. Your passport page is right here, though it doesn't have a visual display of your passport page. Your photo is on there. The length of your stay is 21 days, and you could stay or use that 21-day period between this period, 3-month period. Okay, E-visa application fee is $8. The fee is non-refundable. So if you think everything is correct, go click this one, guys, and then proceed to payment. Of course, I will not click this proceed to payment, guys. This is just a tutorial, as you know. Okay, so once you reach that payment section, as usual, you just have to put your credit card or debit card details, and you will be able to get your e-visa within 3 days, guys. Within 3 days only you'll get. Okay guys, once you're through with the data here, once you click proceed to payment, and then you did everything you need to do, like putting your card details, and you're already done with the payment, you will receive an email notification confirming your payment of the visa application. I'll show you the example of the email right here, guys. See, your e-visa application has been submitted, your payment was received, blah blah blah. Then your e-visa application will be approved or denied within a period of 3 working days. Guys, this is your application ID number. You will be needing this code once you're ready to download or you need a status of your visa application. You have to key in this code, series of letters. Okay guys, so let's say within 3 days after the payment, you will receive another email from them confirming the approval or rejection of your visa application. The example of the approval is right here. See, your e-visa application status change. Your e-visa application is approved. We're happy to inform that your e-visa has been approved. Then you will just to click this download, the blue color. Then once you click that, you will be asked or prompted to put that application ID number I just showed you a while ago, this one. Okay, then you will be able to view and download your Armenian E-visa. And the example of Armenian E-visa is right here, guys. Okay, that's it. Good luck to your e-visa application of Armenia, guys. It's very easy, and Armenia is very beautiful in the Caucasus region. Okay guys, thank you for watching my tutorial videos. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you.